5 класс, английский язык. Празднование Домашнее задание. Страница 96. English, Spotlight 5. Celebrations. Homework page 96. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat the exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96. 96. Celebrations. Exercise number 1. Festive activities. Think of popular celebrations in your country. Which of the activities in the pictures do you do? Celebrations. Repeat after me. Dress up. Have street parades. Set off fireworks. Light bonfires. Decorate the house. Exchange gifts. Have a family dinner. Cook special food. Exercise number 1. Подумайте, какие праздники есть в вашей стране. Что из изображенного на картинках вы делаете во время праздника? On Victory Day we have street parades. We also set off fireworks. The answer. On New Year and Christmas, we decorate the house and have a family dinner. We also dress up and light bonfires. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, letter A. Reading. Read the dictionary entry. When is the harvest time in your country? Прочитайте словарную статью. Когда время урожая в вашей стране? The answer. In my country, harvest time is at the end of August and the beginning of September. Exercise number 2, letter B. Look at the title of the text and the first sentence in each paragraph. What do you expect to read? Read and check. Посмотрите на заголовок текста и первое предложение каждого параграфа. Что вы ожидаете прочитать? Прочитайте и проверьте. The answer. I think the text is about different harvest times around the world. Exercise number 3, letter A. Complete the gaps from 1 to 5. Listen and check. Explain the words in bold. Послушайте и проверьте. Объясните выделенные слова. Autumn. Thanksgiving is a big festival in the USA and Canada to celebrate the harvest. Canadians celebrate it in October and Americans in November. Some cities have parades and people have family dinners. Turkey, sweet potatoes, and cranberry sauce are popular foods on this day. And there's always some sweet pumpkin pie for dessert. Winter. In northern India, they harvest their wheat in spring, which is in late February or early March. This is also the time for Holi, a handy harvest festival that lasts 5 days. People dress up and light fires. Farmers decorate their cows with flowers and let them run free in the streets. Spring. In late March or early April, some people in the Philippines celebrate the banana festival. This is harvest festival about different varieties of bananas. During the festival, children dress up in banana costumes and dance in the streets. There is also a cookery competition where cooks use only bananas to make their dishes. Summer. Chuseok is the Korean harvest moon festival and an important holiday in Korea. The festival lasts for 3 days, usually sometime between August and October. Children dress up and people make sweet rice cakes with fresh fruit. There was sauce, dessert, wheat, round free, varieties, cookery. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3, letter B. Read a list of the festivals. How do people celebrate them? Прочитайте и перечислите все фестивали. The answer. Thanksgiving Day in the USA and Canada. Some cities have parades, and people eat dinner with their families. Holi is the Hindu harvest festival. People dress up and light fires. Farmers decorate their cows with flowers and let them run free in the streets. Banana Festival in the Philippines. Children dress up in banana costumes and dance in the streets. There is a cookery competition where cooks only use bananas. Chuseok in Korean. Harvest Moon Festival. Children dress up and people make sweet rice cakes with fresh fruit. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance.